Welcome to our tutorial on how to send a one-time viewed photo on Snapchat. Snapchat has recently updated their features to allow users to send photos that can only be viewed once by the recipient. In this video, we will show you how to do this on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of chats. Next, open the chat where you want to send the one-time viewed photo. Once you are in the chat, you can take a snap as you normally would. After taking the snap, you will see a timer icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to set the viewing time for the photo. Set the timer to 1 for one-time viewing. This means that the recipient will only be able to view the photo once before it disappears. Once you have set the timer, you can add any additional text or drawings to the snap if you like. When you are ready to send the photo, simply tap the send button. The one-time viewed photo will be sent to the recipient, and they will only have one chance to view it before it disappears. Sending one-time viewed photos on Snapchat is a great way to share private or sensitive information without the risk of it being saved or shared. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.